In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide a layer in AutoCAD. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get back to focusing on your design without visual clutter. Layers in AutoCAD act like transparent sheets that organize different kinds of objects: walls, dimensions, furniture, reference lines, and more. Hiding a layer lets you turn off what you don't need right now, so you can concentrate on the task at hand and speed up your workflow. First, open the Layer Properties Manager. You can do this two ways: either type Layer in the command line and press Enter, or click the Layer Properties icon on the Home tab of the ribbon. This opens a panel listing every layer in your drawing, along with columns for status and settings. Next, find the specific layer you want to hide. It might help to sort by name or scan the color and linotype columns to identify the one you are after. Once you've located it, look for the On or Off column, the one with the light bulb icon. Clicking that light bulb turns the layer off. When the bulb appears blue or dimmed, that layer is hidden from view in your current space. This is a quick and reversible way to get objects out of the way without deleting or changing them. If you need the layer back, just click the bulb again to turn it on. T here is also an alternative that's especially helpful in large or complex drawings. Freezing the layer in the Freeze column. You'll see a sun icon. Click that sun to freeze the layer. Freezing hides the layer and also prevents AutoCAD from loading it into memory. That means the software doesn't spend time regenerating or tracking those objects while they're frozen, which can noticeably improve performance when your file gets heavy. If you later need the content again, click the icon to thaw the layer and it will return as it was. So, to summarize the choice, turning a layer off is perfect for quick visibility control, while freezing a layer hides it and can help AutoCAD run more smoothly in demanding drawings. Both methods keep your geometry safe and unchanged. You are simply controlling what you see and how much AutoCAD has to manage behind the scenes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.